Hello everybody, I kind of went all in today. I've got a lot to eat, so let's get started. I've been super excited about having some Buldak Ramen. It's been a while, so I'm going to go ahead and get a bite of that. Now I made some dumplings today. I've been needing to do the dumplings for a long time. So sorry for all you who wanted dumplings, but the video is here. There we go. That looks like a good bite. A good spicy first bite. Some fried dumplings now. Some soy sauce. Let's give this a try. Those are good like that. Two of them. Cheesy broccoli. A hot dog. Okay. Ketchup and mustard fries. Burger sauce. 2 hot dogs. There we go. Okay, now the other plate's out of the way. Roll it up, get a good bite. Put some egg on it. We got a Buldak Ramen bite with egg on it. Cheese sauce. Does that look good? A cheesy dumpling. Fried egg with ramen. Oh, it's full of yolk. Okay. a buldak dumpling. Buldak dumpling covered in buldak noodle. That was really good. Let's try it again. Another buldak dumpling. Just about got it all gone. Yolk. Let's get another good big bite. Well, I mean, I pretty much did it. A couple more bites there, but it's too warm in here. I gotta turn the air conditioning back on. It's like 90 degrees outside. I'm pretty full anyways, so I mean, that was a lot of food. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Come back for my next video. If you made it this far, like and subscribe. Yeah? Okay. Okay. I'm done now. All right. Bye.